Clubhouse, speaking of Android, is finally coming to Android more than a year.
Wow, that took a while.
After iOS exclusivity. 1 year. Now, you have to remember they were already kind of bombarded on iOS because it was like the hot thing to do. And they were trying to limit the adoption by making it invite only. So they were already worried. Just on iOS, like, too many people.
Yeah.
We need to raise more money. Hire some more. We got to do something. But the number one request that they were getting was, hey, we're on Android. Stop leaving us out. It's not fair. You're all having a party over there. Now, I got questions about Clubhouse in general because all the big time competitors are coming online now. Like I just got the spaces unlocked on my thing. I don't know if I'm doing a space. I don't know.
You don't know.
I mean, I just come on here.
Yeah.
Am I having a space? Are we having a space? You guys want to have a space later? They're like, no. God, no.
When it becomes a verb, it's kind of weird.
Yeah. Well, that's what they're all aiming at.
But yeah, as a brand, that's what you want.
Yeah.
Let's space it.
Let's. You want space later? Let's space later. Anyway, so Clubhouse comes to Android. They fixed the number one requested thing that was only English speaking. So it's available in the US and then we're going to roll out to other countries later on. They're putting the final touches on it. Kind of reminds me of like early iPhone days when Instagram was iOS exclusive for a billion years. Mm-hmm. And it seemed, and people were buying iPhones because it had Instagram. Mm-hmm. And it wasn't on Android yet. And then I think it's still better on iOS actually.
Yeah.
Instagram, I don't know. I don't use it that much. But now here we have that playing out in 2021 in the form of Clubhouse. Though I don't know if one of the things I've been thinking is that Clubhouse is kind of like a COVID app. Like it really would be one of those apps that really benefited from people just being stuck at home and feeling the need to hang out with others and feeling the need to hear other people talk. And then all of a sudden when the restaurants and the movie theaters open back up, they're like, what's Clubhouse?
Yeah.
Because
it was very specific for a moment.
It was perfect for a moment. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, by the way. I know there's valuable conversations going on over there. But I'm just saying that, like a lot of other businesses, most businesses suffered in COVID, but some did well.
Some did well. Some blew up.
Some did well, and some. So we have to at least leave open the possibility that COVID could have helped some businesses. Mm-hmm. COVID could have helped content businesses, new ones. It could have helped Clubhouse. And anyway, so Clubhouse has plans for how to keep it hot outside of just launching the Android app, because by the way, it still will be invite.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They got to make you feel special,
right,
Mo.
Yeah.
You're on Clubhouse now. You feel special. They were recently valued at $4 billion after the latest funding round, and they have launched an accelerator program. So they're going to fund 50 audio shows on the platform. Audio shows. So you see how that goes?
Something like this?
This show?
Yeah.
No, they never fund something like this. You crazy? This thing?
Yeah,
I won't pay a dime for this. No, I'm just kidding. Will, I apologize. You put together a great show over here.
Yeah.
Anyway, 50 shows. It reminds me of the Spotify thing. They're like, oh yeah, I guess it just matters what content we have. I guess it matters who's hanging out on our platform. I guess it matters who's posting here. Mm-hmm. So if we sign 50 key deals and keep those people publishing here, then people are going to come here because they want to hear what they have to say. And that's why Spotify gave Rogan the money.
Yeah.
That's why YouTube gave us the money. Well, I mean, we got to go and get it with the ad revenue. I was like, what type of deal you cut, man? I mean, they could. We could just threaten to leave. We could just be like...
Yeah, but what if they say good riddance?
We could be like, oh, listen here, YouTube.
That's probably the case.
Be like, listen here, YouTube. We got a big Spotify offer. Going exclusive. They're like, yeah, see you later.
Yeah.
They're like, so?
Peace.
No, actually, we just get no response. They just ghost us.
Yeah.
They're like, who are you again? We're like, wait a sec. We were talking like 2 weeks ago about some feature. Yeah. Like, who are you? Yeah, I know. But that's the way it is now. If you want to have one of these platforms that isn't one of the big ones, you're going to have the right people stay on there.
Yeah, they need to get Elon